How to remove group photo on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove group photo on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find any group you want, like this one. Just click on it and then click on a group profile here in stop, and here you will find this one, group profile. Just click on it and click this pin and stop, and here we'll find this icon here. Just click on it and click remove, and that's it. As you see, group photo have been removed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.